Hello everyone, today I decided to go on money train on Rollbit. And it's not usual for me, but today I'm gonna buy this bonus. Not this, because it's too expensive for me, because I only have $100, but this. This way we can roll like 10, it's minimum. Probably it will be more, it will go fast though. I hope this video could be great and we actually will win something. If you want to support my channel, you can use code gumgum on Rollbit. Let's go. Please don't be dead. Wow, look at this. I didn't think you can get some persistent dude. Wait, am I buying? No, I bought a cheap one. What the fuck? And it takes 2. Wow, what a luck, guys. Please don't go dead. Wow. No, please, not that, please. Hello? Yeah, saved. Wow, this is huge. My first buy on Money Train 4 and my first, and it's cheap buy. And look at this. Wow, I'm so happy now. Please don't go dead. Let's go max win. Yeah, I think you can do it. We need to get arm dealer now. No. Don't die. Please don't die. Please. Save me. Please. Oh no, it's died. I think it's very good, guys. My first buy and it's profit. If I'd bought this feature, it could be much worse. I hope next wins will be also great. And no, this time with no dude in the box. It took everything again. Okay, buy number 3. Well, actually, I'm curious how many buys we could get. No persistent. Let's go. Buy number 3. Unlocker. Wow. Nice. First spin. Okay, let's go. Now give me persistent someone. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello worked, guys. Wow, persistent collect? No, not persistent. Oh, I hoped. Give me some persistent, please. Bite? Oh, saved by pair. Wow, times 7. What the fuck? We almost break even. No. Wow. It's not even profit. Well, okay. Buy number 4. Yeah, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you like these spins. Yeah, I know this. It's not much, but it's honest work, you know. Don't die. Oh my god. Yes. Juice more, please. Collector pair? Oh no, it's not persistent. It could be huge. But basically, collector pair is, I think, max win script. If it's persistent and it's not in the start and it's not dying. Oh no, it didn't save us. Lost half. Okay, buy number 5. Let's go. No, I don't want quick spins. Why? Please. No, let's go. Okay, but it's collector. No, you see? collector is orange, and it seems like it's yeah, it seems like it's persistent, but it's not actually. And I saw it waited me for necromancer. Well, if necromancer is persistent, could it revive yeah, could it revive others? No, it's not persistent. But could persistent necromancer revive others, other these dudes on every spin? Well, it... Wow. Keep going, keep going. I like it. Keep going. One more time. Yeah. How many times it could revive? I wonder. Let's go. Again. Yeah. Maybe you will die, collector, but not today. What the fuck? Oh, why not collector? Dude, I need persistent. I need persistent. Persistent necromancer, and it will be huge. Save? Saved. Wow. Hello? Please? No. Yeah. 50 cent. At least it's not it's not loose. Well, it's wagering pretty well, I must say. Okay. I like it. At least it's not... Wow, persist... Wow! What the fuck? You know, I really like this slot. I really like this. At least it's not like yesterday's slot. Chaos Crew, yeah. Which went dead almost instantly and took all my money. And I even redeposited. You can watch this video, by the way, on my channel. And it didn't help at all. Please don't die. Thank you. I know it's shitty, but when you buy it for 10 bucks... Okay, small loss. No, it's actually huge loss, but okay. It's buy number 6? 6? 5? No. Oh shit. 6 or 5, guys. Hello? Don't die so fast. Come on. You can do it. Unlocker. What you gonna unlock? Oh yeah, it's unlocker. It's not necromancer. I messed up. Yeah, thank you, I guess. Whoa. Going nice. Yeah, please unlock this reel. Yeah, this please. And it can unlock this, yes? Next this row. Please. Oh my god. What the fuck? Wow. Please keep going. Don't die. Don't die now. Please. Please. Please don't die. Come on. Huge potential. Please don't die. Oh my god. Why? Yeah, small loss, but man, it's huge potential. What's going on with crypto, by the way? What the fuck? Hello? Yeah, it's going up. Straight up. Yeah, hope it will continue. It's dead. 50 cent. Now it's going pretty dead, but yeah. Actually, by that moment on Chaos Crew, I will be lost already. So I'm pretty much happy with that slot. I like it. I like it so much. And it's actually fun. Yeah, look, pair. I'm having fun. Yeah, maybe I don't sound like that, but I'm having fun. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Please be... Please. Please, dude. Be persistent, at least once. Or imagine now Necromancer. Revive it like 8 times. Oh my god. Please. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Huge potential. Can I get persistent? I didn't thought you can buy cheap bonus and get persistent dudes. And yeah. It's looking nice. Yeah, you have smaller chance to go crazy, but you still have a chance. I saw actually max wins with that buy. All you need is collector pair. Okay, at least 5 more buys I can do. I hope some of these buys will pay. Or this will be another dead video. Hello? Could it die with no hits at all? What is reset? +1? What? It's always 4 spins left? Wow. Imbalance? Okay. I'll take it. Wow, pair. Pair and another reel. Yeah, shoot them. Shoot them. And... why so fast? X10. Wow. X2. Arms dealer. Oh no, persistent. Persistent pair. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Arms dealer, please. Arms dealer now will be huge. Maybe this is my win, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, I like this. I like this a lot. It feels great. Oh my god. Please unlock this. This pair hits everything. Hello? Oh shit. It's so satisfying. Pra, pra, pra. Yeah. Hey, don't die. Don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Yes! Saved! Opened! Shoot them! What the fuck? Oh no, it's the worst pair. Hello? Drop something. Arms dealer now will be huge. Please, arms dealer. Oh my god. Did you saw that once? I never saw so much opened map and so much drops. Wow. Wow. Imagine arms dealer now. Imagine. It will be huge. Or something else. Just give me 4 more spins, please. Save me. Please save me. Oh no. Yeah. I expected that. But man, huge win. We're almost back to our first balance. Wow. Wow, that's great. What? That's all? Oh yeah, 3 spins. Okay. Easy come, easy go. Let's go. Yeah, please go crazy. Please. Oh no. Please go crazy. I know you can do it. Please. Save me. Yes. Oh, it's quite nice save, by the way. Yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Pair, please. Pair, collector. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Another. Yes. Do it. Pair. Shitty pair. But it's times 7. Times 6. Oh no, it's dead. Oh no. Please. Oh no. Almost money back. Well, I did not expect this to go so long, guys. Also, it's quite addicting. I noticed this. I want to buy these slots, buy these bonuses, and buy these bonuses. And you guessed it, buy these bonuses. Stop baiting me. Give me something. Thank you. Oh, it's again just regular collector. Shitty one. Oh, now we're talking. Yes. Spare. Nice. One more, please. And this is pair. Again, same script as previous. Again, not same script. Collector. Nice. And again, please. Do it again. Thank you. And this will be sniper. Nice. Shoot. Yes. Yeah. No. Okay. Oh, persistent necromancer. Oh my god. Another sniper. Shoot here. Thank you. And again. And again. Here. No. Okay, we're in profit. Don't die. Please. Oh my god. Imagine persistent necromancer. Here. Oh my god. Such a bait. Gave me another spin and died. Maybe I was so close to max win script and it just, scared to give me something more. It can sleep a little and I get max win, Wow, what? 2 collectors? Okay, nice. And now it's collecting. It's like 3 times. Yes. Already in profit. Open this shit. Now please give me collector pair. Persistent. No. Okay, nice. At least it's a little profit. At least we can continue. another one. I mean, I can stop, but what is this? Yeah, literally when I said I can stop. What the fuck? Did you see that? What the fuck? Is this Max Win? Wait. Please. Please. What the fuck? And it's times 2. Please drop something. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What? 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 Please. Please. What? What? What the fuck? Wow, I have no words. What the fuck? Imagine that. 10 cent. 10 cent. What the fuck? Should I stop? Should I stop? Yeah, guys. let's stop here. Now I have funds for many videos, I think. Oh my god, can you believe it? It was 10 bucks. 10 bucks spin bonus. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Leave a like, leave a comment. Bye bye.